In India, engineering is still one of the most trusted and popular career choices for students. But the real challenge isn't about choosing engineering, it's about choosing the right college for you. And somewhere in this entire process, a lot of students start feeling that only a few handful of colleges can lead them to a bright future. And if they don't get into those colleges, they feel maybe engineering isn't their path anymore. But the reality is completely different. Your career is not decided solely by one exam or one rank. It's built in a college where you actually learn, experiment, build projects, and gain industry exposure. Not in a place where you spend a whole year chasing behind a perfect tag. And now the good news is that Maharashtra has become one of the strongest engineering hubs in the country. With the cities like Pune, Mumbai, and Nagpur have grown massively because of the rising startups, expanding IT parks, manufacturing zones, and industrial belts. And because of this ecosystem, engineering colleges in Maharashtra offer great placements, real industry connections, and a campus environment that genuinely helps you grow from day one. So, to make your decision clear, we have created this video on the top 5 engineering colleges in Maharashtra, along with their fees, cutoff placements, and campus life in the simplest way possible. So let's start with the first college on our list, that is Triple ID Nagpur. The campus is located near Nagpur outskirts, making it peaceful, modern, and combined with a tech-focused environment. And according to NIRF 2024, Triple ID Nagpur ranks in the 101 to 115th of band range. Now, talking about the admissions, for BTech CSE, the total course fees is approximately 7.92 lakhs. And to become eligible for this college, you will require JEE mains ranking, which is around All India rank 35,500. And the placements here are also strong, with an average package of 14.7 LPA. Now, before I introduce the next college, I want to talk about an institute that is revolutionizing the whole education. I'm talking about Indalipa School of Technology. This institute has been even recommended by Ved Tiwari, the CEO of National Skill Development Corporation by Government of India. Now, what makes IST truly unique is that instead of just producing engineers, IST focuses on building innovators, entrepreneurs, and tech product creators. And unlike the traditional institutes, IST has been designed by industry experts with faculty from Google, Microsoft, and Meta, along with the experienced IIT faculties and professors. The focus here is not just on the theory, but the real world practical learning. Here, you will also master AI/ML, cloud, and other cutting edge technologies essential for success in today's tech driven world. You will spend 5,000 plus hours coding and not just working on the projects, but building real tech products like designing a cloud infrastructure for large scale applications like Amazon. And it doesn't just stop there. IST provides hands on training or scaling your product into a startup. Yeah, a startup through its innovation hub. You will even get the chance to pitch your ideas to VCs for funding while still in a college. And at IST, you won't just be job ready, you'll be entrepreneurship ready. And beyond the academics, IST offers incredible opportunities like participating in the international tech summits in Dubai and Singapore, visiting man company campuses to see how top tech firms operate, and even earning a minor degree from IIT. IST has multiple campuses across Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, and much more. And the students receive a BTech degree through a IST's partner university. Now, to get into IST, you will need to clear the IST entrance test, followed by a personal interview. And the website link is given in the description below, so please check it out now and apply today for this unique opportunity. Now, let's get back to our college list. Moving for the second college, that is College of Engineering Pune. This college is located in the heart of Pune in the Shivajinagar area and offers a perfect blend of heritage buildings with the modern facilities. Established in 1854, it's one of the India's oldest engineering colleges. According to NIRF 2024, COEP Pune ranks 77th across the India. And now for the admissions, you will need to have decent marks in subjects like PCM in 12th along with the JEE mains course, but the CSE cutoff usually goes up to 98.8 percentile, and the total BTech fees for your entire degree are around 3 lakhs. Now the placements here are also solid with an average package of 12 LPA, making the ROI quite impressive. Moving next, on number 3, we have Veermata Jizabai Technological Institute, Mumbai. This college is located in Matunga and is famous for its disciplined environment and strong academics. According to NRF 2024, VJDI 2 ranks in the 101 to 115 band range across India. Speaking of the admission details, you will have to require excellent marks in the 12th PCM with the JEE mains cutoff for CSE often going up to 99.90 percentile. The total BTech fees for the complete degree is around 60,000, and the placements are also very strong, with the average packages usually going up 16 plus LPA. After that, we have VNIT Nagpur. This is the classic NIT with a campus of around 225 acres located near Ambazari Lake, giving it a green and a peaceful look. According to NRF 2024, VNIT Nagpur secured the 39th position across the India. Now coming to the admission process, the selection is mostly based on JEE means, with the CSE cutoffs usually under All India rank 20,000, and the total BTech fees are approximately 5 lakhs for the entire degree. And the placements are steady too, with an average package of around 10 to 11 LPA. Moving further, on number 5, we have Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, Mumbai. This campus is located in Andheri West, so SPIT specifically does not have an official NRF ranking, but it has strong reputation at the state level for its academics. Now about the admissions, the selection is based on the JEE main scores or merit. The CSE cutoff usually closes around 99.78 percentile, and the total BTech fees are around approximately 6.09 lakhs. The placements here are also very strong, with an average packages of 15 plus LPA to the end of our top 5 engineering colleges in Maharashtra for 2026, explained in the simplest and most natural way. Now remember, every college on this list has its own vibe, its own strengths, and its own type of students. So pick a place that feels right for you, for your course, your personality, and the future you want to build for yourself. And that was it for my side. See you in the next video.